Hello, my name is CiaranMullen. This is my screencast for mobile integration. This is my dice roller app. The changes I made were I added result text and result text dot randomInt to string. The randomInt is this here. So it's the exact same as this drawable. So every time I get a 1, it'll show the image of the dice on 1 and it'll show the image 1. And this is my layout. I added same wrap content and center horizontal and standard text equal 1 at the start. Here's my dice roller app. When I start it up, it's not dice roller app. There we go. Roll. So doesn't matter which one I click, it'll show up right. So color my view, and which one is that? Here it is. Whenever I click one of these boxes, it'll change color, and if I hit blue, purple, red, yellow, green. I added the blue and purple myself, and I'm showing how to do the others from the video. I center aligned, I aligned this to here, this to here, and with the 16 space between them, and I attached it to here and here and here. Okay. When I go to this one, the thing I added was a dice roller app to this. I couldn't get this part working because for whatever reason when I go to this, find view by ID wouldn't work. This is all the code properly laid out how it should work if it was going to work. It is laid out and doesn't. Okay, the Desert Pressure app is basically showing us how to use logcat so we could find bug reports and stuff. This is what happens on create. It runs on create, then start, and when I open the app, the bottom, and hit desert, and this is the last one, so it destroyed it on create, on start, on resume. So that was me testing it a while ago. When I hit say 15 like this, it'll pause it because it's gone out, and then it stops it, then it saves the instance, and when I open it again it will resume with all the same data saved, which is fine. But if I hit this here, change the direction it is, it will run on pause, then on stop, then on save instant state, then it'll call destroy, then create, then start, then resume. Once it runs destroy, it'll destroy all the, on save instant state, it'll save as much data as it can, and then it'll destroy the thing. So next time I open it, it'll create it again, keeping this number, but it won't keep the number of desserts sold. So on the next start, I'll still have the number, and on the resume, I won't have that. This has been my screencast. Thank you for listening. There we go.